Alright, was good morning. We are back with some trading. Market's gonna open in 30 seconds. Freaking out, I was messing with my computer, just doing some random stuff, playing with the displays. So we'll see. So just looking at actually let's go into the daily. On the daily here, we do have this really strong bearish candle, going down. And if we scale down to the 4 hour, we can see we are like continuously respecting this gap, but we're also not at the same time. So if we go over to ES, we did inverse this 4 hour gap. So I would assume that in order for us to be bullish on the high time frame, I would like to see the discounted 4 hour get hit. Same as over here. I do think there's a potential we could possibly bounce from this 1 hour here, but I don't think that's high. So I think overall I want to see this sell side and then this 4 hour get filled. Hopefully on both pairs, but mainly on ES. So we'll see how market opens, if we even move at all. Yeah, we'll see. I'm not necessarily gonna rush into any trades. There's this 5 minute off open. That would be valid because the higher time frame is a piece. We have this 1 hour up here. We have this 15 minute right here, and then we have a 5 minute here. But we did just tap this hourly gap. Would like to see some nice structure. Mark this out. So potential shorts up to 5 minute. For longs, I'm not really seeing anything as of now. I think a lot of everything is range bound. It's kind of hard to judge a full-on high time frame bias. Yeah, I'm definitely not a huge fan of longs from here, just because of how close we came to this gap. But we'll see. We'll see how we reject these lows. We'll see what market wants to do. It looks like that's what we're gonna get. A 30-second up to the 5 minute. Well inside the 1 hour. Actually not bad. Not bad at all. If we get this 30-second, I'm not taking it just because at the moment I still kind of have conflicting biases. I would like a little more confirmation for it to be bullish. I'd rather take like a continuation long or something like that. And I'm just not really that bullish today. I can see it up to the unfilled 5 minute and maybe the 1 hour, but I do believe, at least as of now, our drawn liquidity is lower because look how close we are. I think if we were to get stopped out, I can justify that so quick. But I do think this is a solid trade. If you're bullish, I think it's just missing that drawn liquidity on the one. Five-minute, and then there's the high time frame cap. Right off market open, baby. Was we are in this 5 minute. All right, I want to see if we want to come to this 1 hour. Kind of just what we want to do. Nice trade though. Nice trade. I feel like I've been fading so much wins lately. It's looking annoying. But we'll figure it out. Yeah, I think now at this point, we will see if price action wants to respect this 5 minute or come up to this 1 hour. I think. I don't know what we're gonna do. Okay, ever since we hit this area, we're kind of just not doing anything at the moment. Oh, I guess we have this 5 minute here. I don't see. Do we have a 2 minute over here? Oh my God, this price action is butt. Well, not butt. It's just choppy as frig. Oh, is that a 2 minute? No. I like this 1 minute. I don't know how I do my stop loss. I just look like we're just generating liquidity on US too. Look at this boy. Okay. Oh, we didn't take that off market open. Ever since we kind of just been chomping around, generating liquidity, especially on ES. You can see that. So honestly, anything in this range I'm not going to take. If we decide to dump down towards that draw, I'll just miss out on that. Hopefully take a continuation or something like that. But market, give me something else, please. So we'll see. Bro, why is my camera like that? Oh my God, dog. Alright, I don't remember what has been said and what y'all seen, but this is the other short that ended up failing. Just because I don't think we have the high time frame, whatever. It did get 1-to-1, but it didn't go down to our high time frame draw liquidity, which was I was hoping that we would do, but we didn't. So that was that trade, and then this is this 3 minute long, and this one's just not valid because we don't have any like key rejection area here. There's nothing really to bring us higher, but now we're opening up this 5 minute, so this could technically take us higher. I would prefer 15 minute, but we're not getting that. And we'll also see if we'll come down here, take these lows. But this looks pretty bullish as freak. Generated some nice liquidity though. I feel like I'm gonna end up taking a long off this, and then we're gonna come down and hit this 4 hour. Oof. As far as draws on liquidity higher, just 5 minute ITH. Freaking ES looks amazing. Can't say the same about NQ. Ooh, is there 930 high? Is this one? I'm just gonna put buy side on it. So we'll see if we get potential longs, or we inverse this and go back down to this unfilled 4-hour. Bro, I need to stop zooming up. Bro, Blake took the freaking short here. Shit was obvious. I'm not gonna lie, kind of sucks that I missed those, but it's freaking. It's because I'm traumatized, bro. There's a potential 5-minute right here, but we're not freaking closing. We don't have any rejection. I'm low-key kind of scared that long because we have this 4-hour below us. So I do think overall we want to go lower, but freaking. We don't have any gaps. Maybe pull back into a 5-minute. Ooh, this 3-minute failed. So what I'm looking for now is I pull back into this 5-minute and then a continuation from there. That'd be ideal. Honestly, I would take it no matter what, but freaking like the 5th setup of the day. Okay, we open up this we mirrored this 5-minute and then open back up into this 5-minute here. Just give me an inversion. Bro, honestly, I'll take a freaking CSID. One minute, no, 1 minute. Bro. Points is at 30. 5 or 6 cons. Ooh, I gotta poop. Too close. Ooh, that's not. Yeah, I like this. Honestly, make a break even here. Once we just place past this, there's honestly no real like great break even point. No, my freaking P-no tools worked out. Oh, I wasn't freaking recording. We're in the 30-second here. Freak, bro. Okay, so I wanted shorts ever since we kind of got this pullback, because it didn't really make sense for price action to go higher and leave this 4-hour gap here. So from there, I was kind of just being patient. There was a 3-minute inversion to the upside here that didn't really make sense at all. And then we had a 5-minute inversion right here. So from there was no like rejection area here, so I just decided to take this 5-minute here, pull back into a 5-minute 30-second inversion, and then I TP'd right here. Could have let it run, but look, he just took my profit. Really good trading day. There were so many setups, bro, and I'm actually so glad that I got one after missing 2 of them. So off open, there was this 30-second here, really good setup. I just wasn't bullish. Just unfilled 5-minute with equal highs. From there, we did get a setup with our bias that did end up playing out as well. It was a 1-minute inversion here off this 5-minute. Just continuing to the sell side, but at this time, it honestly, just to me, I was kind of scared. It looked like we're generating liquidity over here and on ES. So I'm not really sure if that's a valid reason to fade or not, but everyone took it. Because really just how we chop like this in this 5-minute had me scared. Because I literally took this loss yesterday. It was this one, and we're generating kind of like this, I don't know, PTSD. But that ended up playing out, and then we had this one here. I wonder if this is oh my god, I can't talk. I wonder if this one's going to hit the unfilled 4-hour. So we'll see. But that's going to be it for today's trading. I will catch you guys later.